In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to assemble the Piranha Iguana mountain bike. Please read the provided instruction manual and safety information before assembling your bike and ensure all packaging is removed. Firstly, slide the stem into the frame head. Ensure the handlebars are correctly aligned with the forks. Then adjust the handlebars to the required height, making sure they are not positioned higher than the minimum mark. Use the provided Allen key to tighten the bolt on top of the handlebar stem. Slot the saddle post into place, making sure that it is not positioned higher than the minimum mark. Use the provided spanner to lock the saddle into position. The pedals are labelled depending on which side of the bike they need to be fitted on. The left pedal needs to be tightened anti-clockwise and the right pedal clockwise. Start by tightening them with your fingers, then fully tighten them with the spanner. To attach the front wheel, you need to open the brake arms. Squeeze the brake arms together and pull the cable away from its metal housing. We recommend placing the bike upside down when attaching the wheel. The tyre has an arrow on the side showing which direction the wheel needs to turn. Make sure the washers are on the inside of the forks. Insert the front wheel so that the arrow on the tyre is pointing towards the rear wheel. Next, slide the locking washer into place. Then, tighten the wheel nuts with your fingers. To ensure that the wheel is aligned straight, evenly tighten the left and right wheel nuts with the spanner. To readjust the brake, squeeze the brake arms back together and slot the cable into its metal housing. To readjust the brake, apply tension to the cable until the brake pads are between 1 and 3 mm of clearance between the brake pad and the wheel rim. You can now tighten the nut. Once the front wheel is attached, you can readjust the saddle to the desired height. To attach the reflector, remove the screw and carefully position the reflector onto the handlebars. Firmly tighten the screw so that the reflector does not move. Attaching the bell is a similar process to attaching the reflector. Position the bell onto the handlebars. Then, firmly tighten the screw so the bell does not move. Please check all screws and fittings are secure before allowing your child to use the bike. Your bike is now ready to use.